Cricut Crafty friends, it's Chris from Daily Dose of DIY, and today I'm going to show you how to make some fun cards with your Cricut Joy, and I'll show you how to use the Cricut Joy card mat. Let's get started. I also wanted to mention, if you're new to Cricut Joy, you can grab my free guidebook. More details at the end of this video. Okay, so here are the things we're going to need to make a card with our Cricut Joy. You're going to need the card mat, of course, Cricut Joy insert cards, and we're going to need some markers and our pen, and of course our Cricut Joy. So cute. We're also going to need a card to cut. So let's head on over to Design Space and find us one. Okay, so I'm over here at Cricut Design Space, and you can see over here at the top, I've got my Cricut Joy selected. So it's going to show me Cricut Joy projects under this Cricut Access, and let's find us a card to make. So I think I found one here I want to make. Let's make this Best Wishes card because we can use both our marker and do cutting on it. It's easy, so we want that for a get started one. When you first buy your Cricut Joy, you should get Cricut Access free for 30 days. So you'll be able to try this project too. And then you get to decide. It's a monthly subscription if you want to keep it after that. So let's make this Best Wishes card. All we have to do is click the Make It button. Oh, I already had a project going. Now I'm going to click Replace It. And then it takes us to this screen so we can review the work. Over here on the left, you'll see that we get to choose. We're going to cut it on the card mat. And we don't need to mirror it. Everything looks good. So let's click Continue down here on the bottom. It says to continue, please connect your Joy. It's connecting automatically. It goes by Bluetooth. And we are going to use the insert cardstock, and now it's ready to go. So let's head back over to our table and get this cut. The Cricut Joy card mat, as you can see, has a little pocket in here so that we can put the back of the card in that pocket and it won't get cut. Let's get our insert cards out. These are the back that will be the insert, and here is what one of the cards look like. I'm going to use the pink one. It's already pre-folded. So what we're going to do, the protector is over the top of here. When it's brand new, it's kind of hard to see that it's there. But then we're going to stick our fingers in there into that pocket and insert the back part of the card up into the fold and get it straight. And then we just close the front of the card onto that sticky part of the mat, that's the front, and smooth it down. Now Cricut is telling me to load my pen first because we chose a card that is going to draw and then cut. So to do that, all I got to do is open this little latch, pull straight up to get my blade out. And I think I'm going to choose my purple marker. So I'm going to take that off. Drop it straight into the ledge. It's got a little ledge right there, so you can't push it in too far, and then close the clamp. Now, you'll notice the Joy doesn't have any buttons, so once I put my mat on here, it's going to automatically start rolling and suck it on in. It then pulls the mat all the way through so it can make sure it's calibrated and in straight, and then we'll see it begin to draw. It's finished drawing, and my computer is now showing me to load the fine point blade. So let's get that loaded. To load the fine point blade, we just do like we did before. Undo the clamp, pull the pen straight out, put my lid back on it. I guess this is a marker, not a pen, sorry. Drop the blade straight down in and close the clamp again, and we're ready to go. I'm gonna hit go on my computer and it will start to cut. Okay, it's done cutting and my laptop is telling me it's complete and to click the unload button. When we click the unload button, the Joy will automatically spit out the mat, and then it is done. To get our card back out, we're going to hold the mat upside down and peel the card off the stickiness. Just go nice and slow so we don't rip anything. And doing it backwards, flipping it over like this, helps keep your card from curling too. Okay, once it's off the sticky, we can just slide it right out there. To clean off your mat, it's got some pieces still stuck to it. Just scrape it off with your scraper, and then don't forget to put the cellophane protector right back on there. Okay, so now for our card. It's cut, but we still have some little pieces to punch out, so let's get those removed. Okay, we've got the bits out here, and now we just need to put our insert in the back. It cuts little holes for us in each corner. So I'm going to put those on in there. This is going to look gorgeous. Just bend it slightly so it will go into that tab. And you're done. You can write anything you want on the inside, and they just turn out perfect every time. So that is how you use the Cricut card mat to make a card with your Cricut Joy. If you would like more help with your Cricut Joy, be sure to get my free Get Started guide at dailydoseofdiy.com/Cricut Joy guide. I'll put that direct link in the description down below for you. Again, my name is Chris. Please like and subscribe for more fun Cricut crafts and tutorials, and I'll see you on the next video.